In today's video, I'm going to share with you the 5 different ways I am currently making money online in Africa. So you want to stay up to the very end so that you can find out the different ways that you could also use to make money online. To the Mpesa squad, welcome. Thank you for always returning. Thank you for supporting your girl. If you're new here, welcome. Karibu. On this channel, we talk about the different ways to make money online, passive income opportunities, as well as side hustles. So if any of these topics sound exciting to you, in a bit, I'm going to tell you what you need to do. It's a cold July morning, so kindly bear with me. That's why I'm dressed in this really cute onesie. Without much further ado, the number one way I am currently making money online in Africa is by speaking and teaching my native Luo language as well as Kiswahili on an online platform called italki.com. And on italki.com, you can teach any language on the planet, nearly every language on the planet. And italki is a platform for learning different languages. They have been around for 14 years. They are actually celebrating their 14th anniversary. So if you think you can speak your native language, whether that be English, Swahili, Kikuyu, Xhosa, Igbo, whatever that is, then you want to check this video up here where I break down for you the process, how you can sign up to teach on italki, whether you are a professional teacher or if you're not certified as a professional teacher, you can teach on italki as a community tutor, and that is what I currently do. On italki.com, I get paid per hour or per 45-minute class or 30-minute class. I charge from $8 for a 30-minute class, and so far I have heard 107 lessons and 23 students 5-star rating teaching Luo and Swahili. If you're interested in learning how you can also make money online teaching your native language, you wanna check the description box below or check the video up here where I break it down for you. I started teaching sometime in January, and so far 107 completed lessons, 100% response rate, and 100% attendance rate. You can see the reviews that I have from my different clients. That's what you need so you can keep getting more and more clients booking with you. One thing I like about italki.com is that 99% of all my current students live either in Europe or in North America. And what that means is that I get to effectively do this side hustle, because remember, I have a full-time 8 to 5 job. So because they are on a different time zone from me, then it is very appropriate for me to work outside of my regular working hours. So anytime from 8 p.m. until midnight or thereabout, that's when I have most of my classes. But obviously I try to regulate that, no more than 5 classes a week for obvious reasons. The number 2 way I am currently making money online is through YouTube. Every time I shoot videos on YouTube on this monetized channel, you will sometimes see advertisements running throughout the videos. Every time you watch the advertisements or click on them, then YouTube through the Google AdSense program will give me a cut. So that's the second way I make money online. I currently have 2 YouTube channels. The first one is youtube.com/Mpesa, make money online with Mpesa. This channel is about 2 to 3 years old and is currently monetized, which means that every time you watch a video and
YouTube through Google AdSense puts advertisements on the channel and you watch the site videos, then YouTube will pay me some money. So that's how I currently make money on YouTube with the Make Money Online with Eva Mtali channel. However, the Travel with Eva Mtali channel is about, I think, 5 months old now. No, it's actually a year old, but I started consistently posting about 5 months ago when I spinned off all the making money online related videos into this channel. So here you will find my travel escapades both in Kenya and outside of Kenya. Not too much, especially now after COVID happened, not too much traveling happening. And also you will find visa related issues. For YouTube to pay you, you need to have at least 1,000 subscribers on your channel. You can see I have about 217 more subscribers to go, and you need to have at least 4,000 public watch hours in the last 12 months. You can see I currently have 2,216. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly just come to youtube.com travel with Eva Mtali and subscribe to the channel, and let's have this channel monetized.
Number 3 way I make money online is through putting advertisements on the evamtali.com website. If you scroll through the Eva Mtali website, you're probably going to see a few advertisements here and there, and I am paid either through you clicking on each of those advertisements or when you take an action from an advertisement, what we call click per action.
On my website, I am currently working with Ezoic.
In the past, I used to monetize the website using Google AdSense,
but I decided to move to Ezoic and just test out the program.
And so far, so good.
Basically, it works like AdSense, whereby they put advertisements on your website, and if either cost per click, if people click on the advertisements, or cost per action, depending on what they do once they click on your advertisement. You can see there's around $170 US revenue. Not too much money, but well, it helps to keep the lights on.
Number 4 way I am currently making money online is through affiliate marketing on my website. The evamtali.com website is largely travel as well as making money online content website. So I used to monetize before COVID happened. Most of my affiliate income used to come from travel related affiliates. COVID happened and obviously there was reduced traffic to the website, but mostly it was currently coming through booking.com. So booking.com is a website that aggregates trains, it aggregates hotels, it aggregates hostels, and all that travel accommodation related products and services. And if you click on a hotel that I recommend, or if you click on a hostel that I recommend, then you actually stay. After you stay, booking.com will pay me some commission.
As at last quarter, I have 97.93 euros pending, and I just have 2 euros pending. Not too much money, but well, it helps to keep the lights on.
Another way I currently make money online is as a voiceover artist. So this is something that I began less than 2 months ago. So it hasn't really kicked off, but so far currently registered on the Fiverr.com platform.
So far, I have had 2 paid gigs with 5-star rating. So that is something that I'm still working on, my voice, training my voice. But yeah, I currently do voiceover gigs. If you think you like my voice and you want to use my voice for either advertising or for a documentary or anything else for that matter, feel free to contact me via Fiverr.
And I'm going to leave a link at the bottom in case you want to sign up for a gig. You can pretty much do anything on Fiverr. And some of the ways to make money on Fiverr, you don't even need any skill, you don't need a laptop. And I have this video up here where I share with you 5 beginner Fiverr gigs that you can start today. Last but not least way I currently make money online in Africa is through selling African related handmade items, and I mostly sell these through the Etsy.com platform.
For Etsy, I basically sell African curios and baskets and anything that is related to the African culture. Mostly it's baskets. As you can see, this is my shop. I sell handmade crafts, mostly, whether that be Maasai regalia, waist beads, Maasai earrings. I have kiondo baskets, I have keychains, Maasai sandals, and all this kind of stuff is what I sell online.
If you are interested in starting your own Etsy shop, check this link up here. I have an entire playlist of all videos of what you need to register as an Etsy seller, how you get paid, the best, easiest, cheapest way to ship from Africa or to ship from Kenya to the rest of the world. And yeah, so just check that link. I talk about everything that is related to Etsy. So guys, that's it for today in terms of the 5 different ways I currently make money online. Let me know in the comment section below, how are you currently making money online? Do you have any questions about this methods? Do you have any additional ideas that I could add to this? And I'll be happy to work with you on that. So guys, that's it for today. I definitely look forward to meeting you on the next one. Bye bye.